Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace your infotainment screen, also known as radio screen guys. This is the screen right above the radio switches controls guys. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, this generation Ford Focus, and more than 200 videos guys on every car we get at the shop. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Let's go ahead, start on it. If you need to buy any tools and parts and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get tools and parts for super good price, fast shipping as well. So let's start on it now. What I recommend to have the emergency brake on guys, okay, always, because eventually we might end up guys putting it in neutral here, because we'll need to remove one cover, and I'll explain where that one is located now. Okay, let me show you. It's this cover right here, it's a little bit hidden. So right here now guys, okay, let me explain what we'll be doing. Okay, we'll be working right here, so we'll need to actually go ahead and put the camera, okay, all the way down. Okay, like that, so we can see what is happening there guys. Right here there is one cover that, okay, I'll need to get my head here quick so I can see too, because it's very, okay, very limited room guys. Okay, this cover right there in the middle, check it out now. Okay, this cover guys comes out. Okay, let me show you now. This is it. Now it has two places, okay, where it attaches, one here, one over there, one here, one over there. Now what else we need to do? Let's come down there guys. Okay, and we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit. So I'll go ahead, grab that quick, and we'll continue. Now we need star looking bit, 20 millimeter star looking bit. I'm going to get the electric screwdriver so I save a little bit of time. We're going to remove one screw now. Okay, that's what it looks like, and I'll remove a second one now. Okay, this one is a little bit hard to get to guys, so I will probably need to, okay, let me see, I will need to shift the car in. Yep, we'll need to get it in neutral so I can move the shifter a little bit, and we'll have to go ahead, turn the key, and have the emergency brake applied and put it in neutral or drive, but make sure that you don't roll down the hill, put the tire chokes or anything like that. So ignition is on. Okay, and we're guys going to go ahead, okay, and put it like that. Now I'm going to turn the key off, and we'll show you what else we need to do here. Not very complicated, by the way. Okay, it will start beeping in a little bit because I will put it in park. Okay, now we can put it in park. Perfect, and turn the key off. Great. Now I removed guys, two of the screws are out. Now what else we need to do now? Let's hold like that. Okay, perfect. Now like that, and we're going to go ahead, grab that piece, you pull on bottom first, then slide like that, pull out. You have a clip right here guys. I'll recommend to have your car battery disconnected at that point so you don't burn anything guys. And let me show you what we'll be doing here. Okay, this is where the connectors are now located. Okay, this connector, okay, right here, we press in and we release. Okay, and we're going to grab that piece. Okay, let's leave that piece for a second. You can see the connector guys. Okay, it's right there. Okay, you press in and you pull it out. Okay, just like that. So we guys get the next okay, to the next step where we remove the radio. This is guys your radio assembly right here. Doesn't look like a radio, but that's it guys. Same Torx 20 star looking bit, and we're going to remove, okay, you can see two more guys. Okay, the other way I guess. One screw is out, second one. Perfect. Now what else we need to do guys? Grab that one. Okay, I don't think there is more, so maybe just tuck. Yep, it just stuck. Shake it a little bit, comes off guys. Now we need to disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, let me see if you can get a good view. Yep, right there. Press down, pull out, guys. Press down here, pull out. Now we have two more. Okay, this is for the antennas, and the same thing. Press down on the knob here, pull them off. Okay, and your radio, guys, assembly out of your Focus comes out just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. So once you guys remove the radio, you have 4 more screws that you need to remove in order to get to the screen and remove it. Why we need to do that? We need to remove the radio because it lays on top of the screen mount here. Almost out. Yep, second screw, guys. Let's try here. Perfect. Now one more, and let's see what else we'll have here holding, or if we have anything else. Okay, this is the last one, I think, or at least we hope so. It comes up. Now right here we have one wire that we need to disconnect. Push in here in the middle, scroll over, and this is it, guys. That's how we remove the radio screen, the infotainment screen on Ford Focus 3rd generation. Putting it together practically is in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.